Keep your feet up off the ground now.
Now put your knees up. Put your knees up, like you were just doing. Alright, ready? Put your knees up. Alright, ready? That looks pretty fun. What's going on, Megan? You know what, I just realized I'm taking this vertically and I don't think that it lets you take pictures vertically. So we'll have to end up having our heads turned to the side the whole time. Let me see you do it, bud. Put your arms on the rings and let me see how you put your knees up.
I can't.
Why not?
Put my hands in too.